Hey guys, welcome to KIC, and today I'm going to introduce to you KIC's cooling range. This range includes top freezers, bottom freezers and chest freezers. Before we get into that though, there's a few concepts I want to discuss with you. These are namely cooling ratings and gross versus net. When it comes to cooling ratings, it's really quite simple. Each freezer has a big star with a few smaller stars. Each smaller star refers to 6 degrees below zero. So on this freezer you see we have one big star with 3 smaller stars. This means 6 plus 6 plus 6. This means that it is 18 degrees below zero, which is a really good cooling rating. Gross versus net. This is something that I myself always get confused about. What it actually refers to is the capacity of your refrigerator. The gross capacity of your refrigerator refers to the capacity of your refrigerator including the shelf. The net capacity refers to the actual usable space in your refrigerator. So whenever you're looking for the capacity of a refrigerator, always look for the net capacity. The question of direct cooling versus no frost is one that I always get. So let's clear it up quick. Direct cooling refers to cooling elements inside of your freezer that occasionally lead to frost buildup. This means you will have to defrost your refrigerator. No frost, on the other hand, uses an air circulation system. This means that it prevents frost buildup. You do not have to defrost these fridges. All KIC fridges and freezers are direct cooling, meaning you will have to defrost your refrigerator from time to time. So let's talk about one of the most important products, the fridge, because it holds our most favorite product, food. Let's start with the top freezer. So what is a top freezer and who would buy one? A top freezer is a fridge unit with a smaller freezer located above. The person who would buy this is someone who's looking for a larger fridge and a smaller freezer unit. This person probably buys their groceries on a daily or weekly basis because they would need only a much smaller freezer unit. First up, we have the KTF 528ME. This unit comes only in metallic and it is a 255 litre fridge freezer combination. 190 litres on the fridge and 65 litres on the freezer. It has an A energy rating, meaning that it's going to save you electricity and money. The great thing about this freezer is that it comes with a water dispenser. This sleek water dispenser is designed to fit almost any container. Let's quickly take a look inside the fridge. If we look inside the KTF 528, we'll see that the water dispenser comes with a 3 litre water tank, and as with all fridges in the range, adjustable fridge shelves. And lastly, and this is one of my favorite parts, is that you can hold 3 2.5 litre bottles on the bottle shelf. Next up, we have the KTF 523. This unit comes in both metallic and white. There's an A energy rating, meaning that it's going to save you money on your electricity bill. It has a 215 litre net capacity, 150 litres on the fridge and 65 litres on the freezer. This unit does not come with the water dispenser, but it does come with something very cool inside the fridge. Let's take a look. As with all fridges in the range, the KTF 523 comes with the adjustable glass spill guards, the bottle shelf which will hold 3 2.5 litre bottles, and the interchangeable bottle shelf, which stops your bottles from rolling around inside your refrigerator. Last up, we have the KTF 518. It comes in metallic and white. This is a more compact unit in the range. It has 170 litre net capacity with a 116 litre fridge and a 54 litre capacity freezer. Though it is the smallest one in the range, it has got a few unique features to it. Like with all the fridges, it comes with the bottle shelf for 3 2.5 litre bottles. It also features the small item shelf. And lastly, it comes with a very unique Z shelf. A lot of our competitors struggle to fit milk and other bottled goods in the fridge. What we've done is we've shaped the shelf like a Z, and it is completely adjustable to fit whatever product you decide to put there. Moving on from top freezers, we'll now discuss bottom freezers. Bottom freezers are for people who want a little bit more space in their freezer. Usually these people do their shopping either weekly or monthly. First up, we have the KBF 525, which comes in both metallic and white. This has an A energy rating, which once again means you're going to save money on your electricity bill. The literage on this fridge is a 167 litre fridge and a 72 litre freezer. If we look inside the fridge, you'll see that once again we have our adjustable glass spill shelves as well as our bottle shelf, which can hold 3 2.5 litre bottles. Here we have the KBF 630 and the KBF 634. Both of these fridges come in white and metallic. They have a lot of similarities. Both of them have the exact same interior features as the previous fridge. They also both have an A energy rating, and they both have an 83 litre freezer. The difference is that the KBF 630 has a 193 litre capacity fridge, whereas the KBF 634 comes with a 231 litre capacity fridge. If we take a look inside the KBF 634 and 630, we will see that they have these nice white covers which give it more of a premium look. What's cool about this fridge is that if you look inside, you will see the cooling element which we discussed when we discussed direct cooling. Obviously, all of our freezers in the range come with an ice tray. Last up in the range, we have the KBF 638. This one has an A energy rating and it comes in both metallic and white. It has a 231 net capacity refrigerator and 113 net capacity freezer. If we take a look inside the fridge, we'll see that it has a few unique features. The bottle shelf now can hold 4 2.5 litre bottles, as well as having this unique wine rack built inside. The KBF 638 comes in both the non-water dispenser model as well as the water dispenser model. Lastly, we will be discussing chest freezers. A chest freezer is a very special device because most often people use them as their secondary freezer. This sort of freezer is especially for those customers who really want to store extra food. All 4 chest freezers come with the same key features: the galvanized interior to make it easier to clean, the movable trays which allow you to customize your area, the embossed freezing guide, which is not a sticker, it's embossed, which means that it won't attract germs. Lastly, all 4 chest freezers come with Very Freeze Control. Very Freeze Control lets you set the temperature of your chest freezer to certain settings: chiller, refrigerator and freezer. KIC fridges are all about classic design, ease of use and energy saving. Thank you for watching our cooling videos, and I will KIC you later.